Opening scene. Upbeat background music. Camera pans over the brand new Boom Lift 2025, showcasing its glossy, ultra-shiny yellow finish. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of the brand new Boom Lift 2025, one of the most advanced and efficient lifts on the market. Whether you're in construction, maintenance, or any industry that requires working at heights, this machine promises next-level performance, safety, and innovation. Exterior and design. Camera zooms in on the sleek modern design and durable build. First, let's talk about design. The Boom Lift 2025 comes with a cutting-edge, sturdy frame designed to withstand heavy-duty use. The glossy yellow finish isn't just for looks. It's coated with a high-durability paint that resists wear and tear, making it perfect for all job sites. Performance and features. Camera switches to a demonstration of the lift extending. This Boom Lift is equipped with a powerful hydraulic system, allowing for smooth and stable elevation. With an impressive maximum height, operators can safely reach even the most challenging spots. The control system is intuitive, featuring an advanced dashboard with a digital display, ergonomic joysticks, and responsive controls for precise maneuvering. Comfort and safety. Camera shows the comfortable, well-designed operator seat. Comfort is key for long hours on the job, and Boom Lift 2025 delivers with a well-padded, adjustable seat. The safety features are top-notch, including an automatic stability control system, emergency stop mechanisms, and high-visibility LED lights for night operations. Final verdict. Camera transitions to a final shot of the Boom Lift in action. Overall, the Boom Lift 2025 is a game-changer in aerial work platforms. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and top-tier safety features, it's an excellent investment for any industry requiring reliable height access. What do you think about this lift? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Outro music. Plays, screen fades out with. Subscribe for more reviews.